Today we're in a 2023 Carrera T. This is a two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive variant. I am on a DynoJet 424X, which is mechanically linked. However, we're running it in two-wheel drive right now. So let's get into this. Here we have the Porsche software. I'm going to go key on. All right, open up. Diagnostics 38.250. It's this middle one. Model line 992 recognized. Continue. This is all in German. If you want to learn what every function is, use Google Translate. Use your camera option if you have an Android phone. I don't know about Apple users. But when you use the camera option, it will automatically translate all the text into English over your screen. What we are looking for is PDK. Right there. PDK. Click next. It's going to give you two options, one for the PDK and one for roller mode. Deselect PDK, just select roller mode. Come down here, additional menu. Find Rollin modus. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Roller mode. Click next in the bottom right corner. It's just saying for your information, rolling dyno mode is to give optimal conditions when on a chassis dyno. Click next. Roller mode activate and deactivate. This is where we're going. We're going to activate. We're about to run the car after our last tune revision. Execute. That these preconditions are set. Vehicle's at a standstill. Not on, in park or neutral, no other trouble codes, that sort of thing. Yes, all of our conditions are met. Next. Right here it's asking what type of dyno are you using, two or all-wheel drive. They refer to it as axes, so one axis or two axis. We're running it in two-wheel drive, so we're just using the rear drum, one axis. Next. And you'll see it start going through the process to put it in dyno mode. This just says that this may take some time. Just wait till everything's activated. This last one, activating roller mode. This bottom one would be clearing any errors. There we go, all set. Up in the dash, you're going to get a bunch of errors, chassis system error. Right there in the speedometer though, it is in dyno mode. To take it out of dyno mode, do the exact same process, just click deactivate, which would be right here, this middle one. Deactivate, execute. That your conditions are met, vehicles in park or neutral, no errors. Next. We're waiting for it to load. Dyno mode has been deactivated. Now it's just clearing any of the errors. Bam. And no longer displaying dyno mode on the speedometer. Hopefully this helps. Here is a side note to remember. We put the vehicle in dyno mode. Just did a poll. Created a tune, flashing our revision now. And the hazard lights turned on, the flashers. So once this is done successfully riding, these use successfully flashed. I'm using the auto tuner tool. You see the flashers are on. Still in dyno mode. We'll go key off, open the door, start it, and the flashers stay on. The flashers stay on as a reminder it is in dyno mode, but from a previous file write. So even if you hit the flashers button, it'll flash in sync. Turning it off has no effect. Turn signal works. Only the left signal's on. Only the right signal's on. When you turn it off, back to that. Not a problem, not a big deal. Just don't panic when you see it.